Hi, campers. It's your friend Jason here from the THL family, and today I'd love to talk to you about the 2025 Gulf Stream Conquest. This is the 6238. Let's spend some time talking about the two main components, the chassis and the coach. Built on a Ford E350 chassis, the Gulf Stream Conquest 6238 is a remarkable vehicle for scenic drives and offers you the freedom to roam. Under the hood, you'll find all your necessary components, including the 7.3-liter V8 engine, making every road trip feel like a breeze. As we come around to the passenger side, we will see tons of amazing exterior features. You'll find a propane quick connect for your barbecue system, but the real showstopper is what's underneath. The chassis has an integrated box-style steel floor trusses, wall braces, and entry support that is called the Cradle of Strength. Ensuring a safer, more durable, and more stable ride than the competition, the Suburban water heater with an automatic reset function will provide hot water using electrical when plugged in or using the gas function. Right next to the water heater is your exterior furnace vent, which can get hot, so be careful. You will find two exterior GFCI plugs that will work when connected to shore power or when running your generator. Up top is a massive awning that spans almost the entire length of the RV. There are built-in lights along the bottom. The exterior storage on this unit is extremely well designed and thought out, giving you a large storage compartment that comes with an extendable outdoor table. The door allows for one-handed use by using magnetic knobs to keep the door up and out of your way. At the rear of the vehicle, you will find your spare tire, along with an exterior shower hookup with hot and cold taps. No more dragging sand and grass into the RV. With the Conquest 6238, you can tow a vehicle, trailer, or add a bike rack to the rear 500-pound hitch that offers multiple power hookups and a waterproof cover. 30-amp outlet in a conveniently located area to prevent tripping hazards. The construction features on this RV are some that will knock your socks off. The exterior has a marine-grade gel coat that provides protection from harsh environments, like intense sunlight and rainstorms. The water connections and your sewer hookups live on the driver's side, providing easy access to your hookups at your campsite and for dumping stations. The 6238 also features a Schwintek slide-out system that offers an amazing seal so no dust can get into the living area. On the slide, there is a massive window offering plenty of light inside. The Onan generator sits below your dinette. Your generator provides 30 amp power to your unit. Another important feature is the molded front fiberglass cap, designed to prevent any water intrusion while on the road. Returning to the passenger side, your coach door holds a large window and a deadbolt and handle locking system. Inside, we will find a screen door that can be used at your campsite to prevent any bugs from joining you and to allow for a nice breeze. Inside the coach portion of the Conquest 6238, the heart of the RV, the monitor panel, a convenient place to turn on lights, check your tank levels, retract your awning, and put the slide out. The kitchen has beautiful hardware throughout: stainless steel appliance package, full extension ball bearing drawers, and features a gas stove top along with a gas oven. With an included fridge and freezer, the Conquest 6238 allows you to keep all your snacks and dinners fresh for each night of your trip. Controlled from the inside, making sure you have everything at just the right temperature. This RV features a full-width bed, the exact same as your queen bed at home, making it the perfect place to sleep at night and get some rest for the next day ahead. Plenty of storage above the bed and a closet with drawers directly across to put all your clothing for the vacation. The bathroom in this unit provides amazing privacy, offering all you need in one area: toilet, shower, and sink. A mirror and medicine cabinet is an extra bonus with a shelf for everyone. At the dinette table, when the slide is in, 4 people, including a child in a child seat, can sit here all seat belted for the drive to the next destination. The dinette table at night can be turned into a bed for 2 young children. First, move the cushions to the side and drop down the tabletop with the small lever underneath. Gently bring it all the way flush with the seatboard and place the cushions back to create a flat bed surface. For privacy at night, draw down the window shades and easily put them back up in the morning with a push. To open the window for fresh air, use the small lever in the middle. To provide ample space and an access point for the ladder to be installed, put the centerpiece of the bunk into place. In this unit, there is a TV that can be viewed by everyone inside and can be tucked away to offer more overhead space when not in use. The overcab space offers a large sleeping area with added safety netting. Put up the center bunk piece and secure the ladder to access the cab. This will prevent anyone from hitting their heads. The cab area has all that you need in a vehicle. From backup camera and Bluetooth to air conditioner and plug-ins, the Gulf Stream Conquest 6238 has it all. Thank you for joining us and going over all the fantastic coach and chassis features on the 2025 Gulf Stream Conquest 6238. See you next time.